Arlington Mayor Jeff Williams here. We know there is a growing concern about the outbreak of the coronavirus, and I commend Governor Greg Abbott and Tarrant County Judge Glenn Whitley for their leadership, with the governor declaring a state of disaster and for Judge Whitley declaring a local disaster. I also want to thank Arlington ISD, Mansfield ISD, UT Arlington, and Tarrant County College for doing everything they can to keep our students healthy and safe. I commend all of our stakeholders who were going to host major events in the coming weeks, as they have now postponed to later dates. It's going to take all of us to make sure we put the public health and safety of our community above everything else. And as your mayor, I can assure you that's always the top priority of our city council and also the leadership across every one of our city departments. We'll continue to rely on the region's expert medical community so we can make smart decisions with our community's quality of life being at the top of mind. But we'll get through this together. I love this community. Our residents are kind, strong, and always up to the task of making this city a better place to live, learn, work, and play. I'm proud to be your mayor, and I assure you that we are doing everything we can to keep you safe. The city's public health authority, led by Dr. Cynthia Simmons, and the fire department's Office of Emergency Management are constantly communicating with the Tarrant County Public Health, the Texas Department of State Health Services, the CDC, the Arlington medical community, and many other partners to monitor and stay up to date on this evolving situation. And there will likely be a growing number of COVID-19 cases in Tarrant County in the coming weeks. And some of these cases may occur here in Arlington. But I assure you that our Office of Emergency Management is ready. They have procedures in place to deal with these cases should they occur, and our fire department manages infectious disease issues on a regular basis as part of their responsibility for our community. And they're maintaining situational awareness through daily conference calls with the Department of State Health Services. You know, the fire department has published policy guidance to medical responders in the field, and 911 dispatchers are pre-screening callers to identify potential emerging infectious disease patients. And also, the City of Arlington has created a coronavirus website that offers prevention tips. It also gives information about what Arlington and Tarrant County are doing to stay up to date. Yes, and the latest news from the CDC and much more. Please refer to our website. You know, the coronavirus causes a respiratory illness with fever and cough. Older adults and people who have serious chronic medical conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and lung disease are most at risk. The City of Arlington encourages all residents and visitors to stay at home and away from others if you are sick. It's important that we all remember to wash our hands, avoid touching our eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands, and avoid contact with people who are sick. Please also remember to cover your mouth when coughing or sneezing with a tissue, and then throwing that tissue away, and make sure to frequently disinfect all touched objects and surfaces. We also want to remind residents and visitors about online options available for a variety of city services. Residents can even pay their water bill online, utilize these services for the municipal court, pet licensing, and many others on the city's website. The city encourages residents to utilize these online tools to help ensure good health and decrease the potential impacts of the coronavirus and to prevent its exposure to vulnerable populations. Please stay up to date by visiting the city's website and follow us on social media at City of Arlington. Thank you, and let's continue working together to keep our community safe and a great place to live. It's a difficult time, but let us continue to monitor this fluid situation and continue to work together to make a difference here in Arlington. Thank you.